Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. As in the previous lecture video, we have discussed that what are color vocabulary, and we have discussed that how to apply colors on your web pages or on your website. And in today's lecture video, we will discuss about fonts, about different fonts in CSS and how to apply fonts in your web pages or in your website. So let's get started. Okay, so our in today's lecture mostly we are talking about fonts, and we will practice it in our Visual Studio Code, and we will give some examples before that. So for that purpose I will go in the google.com and I will write fonts, Google Fonts. So it will show me first one, the Google Fonts. When I click on it, so it contains many fonts as you want. Like here it's the bit count, prop, single, grade, viscount, the Chinese, the French. It contains the Indian also. It contains many fonts as you like. So basically in fonts there are many sizes like 20px, 30px, 40px and much more. So there are many sizes of them and many shapes of them. So I will extract all the files of the Visual Studio Code of the today's lecture, the font, and you will copy from the WhatsApp community I will give in it. So I will directly copy it from there and I will meet you in the Visual Studio Code. Okay, so I'm here in the Visual Studio Code and I have copy paste the font properties file. So when I click on it, so here it contains 4 pictures. Font family, the second one is the font size, the third one is the goal, the fourth one is the index.html, the fifth one is the solution.html. So first, the font family, it contains many fonts. Like the first one is the Helvetica, the second one is the Arial, the Serif, Sans. It contains many font as you want. And when we come in the size, the first font is contained 20px, the second font is the 20pt, the third font is the 1em, the fifth one is the 1rem, and the sixth one is the font size 12pt. So these are the many fonts, and you can also change it. Like here it's extra large. So when we run it, when we start debugging on it and set as Chrome, so it will automatically appear like this. Like here is a small, a big, a small, and the extra large. But when we cross here and when we click here and set up to 20px, for example, I set this to a 20px. Here is the 20px, and when I run it, I hope it runs this code. Yes, it successfully runs. So look here, first of all it was big and now it's 20px size. So here is the 20px size, and when I go in the files, okay, so here is our goal. It should be like this. Like you have to change the font, its size, and the color we have already discussed in the previous lecture. And you have to first color it like white and cornflower blue. It's the color name. You have the size 18px, and here is the body, that font size, font weight, font family, text align, and here are the instructions of this. So when I run this code, I hope it runs. So it just look like this. Like important CSS properties contains color, font size, font weight, font family, and the text align. So when I go in the next the solution.html. So it contains these types of fonts, like the font size is the 20px, the background color is the cornflower blue, the color is the white, the font size is the 18px, and here the coral is a blue color, red color, sorry. And when I run this one, so I hope it should run. Okay, it's running. So here is the another page, that important CS properties. The color is red, the font size is big, and the third one is the font weight, the fifth one. As you can see, the font is here changed. You can see the font is here changed, and here is a simple font, and here is a stylish font. So I hope you have understood today's lecture. If you have a confusion in related to this topic or any topic, you can comment down below of the video, or you can comment on my LinkedIn account to ask questions. And I hope you have understood this lecture, that how to apply fonts and how to apply colors on your web pages or on your website. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next video.